Beneath our feet lies an invisible battlefield where the fight for our planet's future is waged daily.
The hero of this saga, an unassuming robot with a mission. Introducing CleanPig, the brainchild of Arthur Pallister, born from a challenge to redefine the essence of water conservation and infrastructure integrity.
Forget the old way, gallons of water and chlorine flushing through miles of pipeline, a dated ritual that costs the Earth more than just money.
CleanPig is not just another robot. It's a paradigm shift on wheels, employing high-pressure jets and suction technology. It embarks on a crucial mission inside pipelines, eradicating debris and detecting leaks without spilling a drop of waste.
This isn't just about doing less harm. It's about proactive stewardship. By circumventing the need for water and chemical use, CleanPig doesn't just reduce the footprint of maintenance, it obliterates it.
And there's more. In its wake, CleanPig leaves behind not just cleaner pipelines, but a blueprint for a smarter, more resilient water network. A network that learns, adapts, and evolves to meet the challenges of tomorrow.
With this invention, we are charting a course towards a future where technology and ecology converge in harmony. A future where every drop of water is valued, and every innovation brings us closer to sustainability.
The future of water conservation is not just about saving more, it's about wasting nothing.
If you are interested in discussing more about this invention, you can book a meeting through this link.